Welcome back to our channel Russian Friendship House. Today, we have a fascinating topic for you as we explore the enchanting city of St. Petersburg. This city is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover 10 interesting facts about St. Petersburg that you probably didn't know. Fact 1. Founded by Peter the Great. Our journey begins with the fact that St. Petersburg was founded by none other than Peter the Great himself in 1703. He dreamt of a grand European-style city on the Baltic Sea, and St. Petersburg was born. Fact 2. Venice of the North. Did you know that St. Petersburg is often called the Venice of the North? With its numerous canals and beautiful bridges, it's easy to see why. In fact, St. Petersburg boasts more than 400 bridges. Fact 3. Hermitage Museum. The Hermitage Museum, located in the heart of St. Petersburg, is one of the largest and oldest museums in the world. It houses over 3 million items, including works by Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Rembrandt. Fact 4. White Nights. St. Petersburg experiences something truly magical known as the White Nights. During the summer months, the city remains bathed in twilight, never truly getting dark. Fact 5. The Amber Room. Inside the Catherine Palace, you'll find the incredible Amber Room. This room is often dubbed the eighth wonder of the world, due to its stunning amber panels, gold leaf, and intricate designs. Fact 6. The Peterhof Palace. The Peterhof Palace is famous for its grandeur, but did you know it has a hidden surprise? The Grand Cascade Fountain System includes 64 different fountains and more than 200 bronze statues. Fact 7. Nevsky Prospect. Nevsky Prospect is the city's main avenue and is known for its vibrant atmosphere. It's a hub for shopping, dining, and cultural experiences. You'll definitely want to stroll down this historic street. Fact 8. The Winter Palace. The Winter Palace, which is part of the Hermitage Museum complex, was the official residence of Russian emperors. It's a stunning example of Baroque architecture and a must-visit attraction. Fact 9. The Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood. It is an iconic site in St. Petersburg and it was built to honor of Alexander II, the Emperor of Russian Empire. Its colorful onion domes and intricate mosaics make it look like something straight out of a fairy tale. Fact 10. The Bronze Horseman. In Senate Square, you'll find a statue of Peter the Great known as the Bronze Horseman. It's said that as long as this statue stands, so will the city. And there you have it, folks. 10 fascinating facts about St. Petersburg, a city that's steeped in history, culture, and beauty. If you've been to St. Petersburg or if you're planning to visit, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another exciting travel adventure with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.